and pick it up.
Yeah.
You're not gonna get, you don't want to get it? Can you pick up the crab? Who's gonna pick it up?
I do.
All right, go ahead, Micah, pick it up. But you have to wash your hands afterwards. Can you get it?
It's not real.
It's real.
I picked it.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh.
Oh my
Oh, Micah got it.
Oh my.
Yep.
Oh, Micah, he's very brave. Let's see it, Micah. Whoa, he's got a crab. I think it's alive.
You're kidding me.
No?
He's not walking.
He's not walking?
And the flies are starting to come around.
No, what's wrong? But it's have to stay at the
Can I step on him?
No, we don't need to step on it.